I'm here in the uppermost, impenetrable Newlands forest, a place so dangerous that not even the police dare to roam. I'm in search of an elusive creature known as the Haggis. I'm David Edinburgh. Join me in this one-part series as I strive to coax out the elusive, mythical creature, the Haggis. Oh, hello! Excuse me! Could I have a word with you? Looks like a Newlands ferry. A lot less butch than a Sea Point ferry. I've decided to call in the services of Scotland's preeminent Haggis whisperer. Oh, there she is now, Maggie.
Jeez, David, could you not have filmed this closer to the car park?
Maggie, what are some of the methods that you use to coax out this elusive creature, the Haggis?
Well, the first method, David, is this. It also works brilliant for cats. But since we're in deep, darkest Africa, we need to use African methods like druvors. African haggis are known to have a very sweet tooth. That's why we use one of Scotland's national favourites. But Sir David, my personal favourite is the haggis horn. David, what time is it?
It's about 1:20.
Oh, for goodness sake. The haggis, they're not even up yet.